We are heading out to the US today. Hi. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Interesting reason for today's flight. There are two conferences kind of happening at the same time, and it's not possible for me to be at both conferences. I'm going to go to one of the locations with our partner in the US, and we're going to be doing meeting with a bunch of the resellers, and then we're going to be doing some training with them. Can't be in multiple places at once, so this is kind of the solution around that. Thank you so much. There's been a lot of preparation for today. In fact, they wanted to be able to take all of the materials that I would be presenting during this reseller meeting and have it as an online course. Well, first stop, Chicago. Arrived in Chicago. So I'm here with Jessica, and Jessica and I worked really closely on some of the exemplary educator programs. So it was really cool to see her here and to see that she's still working in the industry. Cool. There we go. Dina Zenick wrote a book on advocate marketing that I recently purchased. So a lot of the stuff that they were doing were really pioneering efforts. Dinosaur. Check him out. Hi. Can I scan my card? Thank you. All right, so I'm here with Maddie.
Yes, hello, so nice to meet you.
I was surprised to learn that apparently for a lot of the people who are doing physiotherapy, they actually have to do a lot of education, apparently to the doctorate level. I guess that speaks a little bit to the education inflation that's happening. We were just talking about Jake Paul and some of the stuff that had happened with the recent events there. There's this whole community of people on the internet who are condemning those acts. So a lot of younger people will have an opportunity to learn about what is or is not respectful behavior. And so I think, there's opportunities for teachers to kind of show maybe not the Jake Paul video, but the commentary from people from Japan in their classrooms, just to show, well, look, this is how other people react to it. Get a taxi, go to the hotel, and then I need to get some food. Yeah. So look, I think I'm just gonna walk along the boulevard and see if I can find anything that's interesting. I like the lights that they have set up over here. Well, they still have all the Christmas trees up over here. Sticky Fingers Smokehouse. They give you a towel. The ribs. According to this sign, my blues name is Texas Hicks Franklin. So it looks like somebody forgot to turn off the fountain right behind me here. I guess things don't normally hit to freezing. Cool. And there's a skating rink over here too. Oh, cool. This one's still all frozen. This frozen water fountain. Today we're working with the trainers and then and some of the technical staff, and then tomorrow we're working with the general resellers. One thing I didn't realize was that there's apparently been kind of record colds here in the East Coast, and as a result they've been having all sorts of problems with water main breaks. And just this morning I heard that they had a water main break in the New York airport. It sounds like on the East Coast, certainly when it comes to cold weather and preparing for the winter, they don't do things like clear the water lines, for example, because it generally doesn't get that cold that you need to. How are you? How are you? This is so cool. What a difference it makes. Lit up really well. So I'm here with Steve, and we're just checking out the studio, and oh, it looks great here.
That's kind of like the starting thing that you do. And then we're going to talk a little bit about clear touch, and then we're going to go down here.
Oh, I love the transitions. It's very pro. So I just wrapped up video shoot of how I typically do a demonstration. All those different camera views and all the different parts come together.
Video.
Okay.
And then next, and there's the
Nice.
There's your quiz, right?
Nice.
So
So how come all these have like little bumpers, like kid bumpers on them?
Well, these actually are the ones that go to the trade shows.
So now we're going to take a look at the repair facility. So we're learning how to take them apart and put them back together now. Yeah.
One of the big takeaways I asked for the team to have today was just giving you a comfort level.
All right, 1, 2, 3, cheese.
And their wall of all the different conferences they've been to. Today we had some really good sessions. We learned a lot about ClearTouch and their reseller network. Yeah, see you guys in the morning. Morning. So today we have the big presentation to all of the different resellers that are going to be a part of this training. My talk is going to focus a lot on the changes that are happening in the world of education. Oh, thank you.
That other national.
Nice to meet you.
I think ClearTouch is.
I'm going to be talking a little bit about shifting work and the responses that need to happen in the world of education.
And then great presentation, man. It was a pleasure to meet you.
All right, thank you so much.
I'm here with Mike.
Connect View.
Yep.
Connect View.
When you're showing Snowflake Multi-Teach or you're showing some of our software,
Yep.
what really stands out?
Well, right now with the 4 quadrants all at the same time has gotten some really good interest because now it is 4 worlds on one single screen.
Thank you so much, Mike. I really
you're
appreciate
welcome.
your time.
Oh, look at that. We are writing.
Yeah, you can write simultaneously.
Do the full screen over to the right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Horizontal view. So I could say, all right, guys, which one do you want to see first? We're going to do A, B, or C.
Use your
Stays that one side.
Yeah.
name.
That one's actually cool. That's awesome.
I think there's been at least 10 or 12 different items that we discovered during having all the resellers use our stuff, which was great. It was great feedback for our team. All right, thank you so much. Peg's made some brownies, and she said she left something special. Time to go see what kind of special message we've got inside. It's a secret message encoded in a brownie. Oh, can you see that? It's a little heart. What's that? The next stop is Houston. Wow, that's great. Thank you. Change of plans. Now I'm heading into Chicago. They have another flight. They said that I could get there a little bit earlier. There's nobody sitting beside me, so all the leg room on this side. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified when new videos come out, click the bell.